Today we'll see that how we can fill the form for the Arizona State University for the graduate program. So first enter your first name, last name. What happens, some people don't have their last name, so in that case they can put their first name only in place of last name. Then enter your date of birth, email address, retype your email address, create the password, retype the password, and then click on create an account. Then click on start new application. Enter the biographical information, select the sex, month of your birth. Pronouns and genders are optional, so you can leave it. Select the country of your permanent address. Enter your full address. City of your permanent address. Select the state. Enter the postal code. Enter the mobile number and always add the number by adding +91 in the starting. Click on this checkbox. Enter the phone number and again add it by adding +91 in the starting. I'm a US citizen? No. Select the type of visa you will be holding. So advanced academic student. Country of your birth. Country of your birth. Citizenship country. Enter the city of your birth. Select the shipping address. In this select none of these apply to me. In this also none of these apply to me. Ethnicity information is optional, so you can leave it. Social security, you need to leave it. In this select I have never attended ASU. Are you a first generation college student? You can select accordingly. This parent information is optional, you can leave it. And then click on save and continue. Now you need to enter your undergraduate major. Then click on add a school and add the details of your undergraduation. Select the country. Enter the institution name. Select the country, select the degree which you have earned. Month and the year when you have started this degree. Month and the year when you have completed it. Month and the year when you have received a degree. Select the name and then click on done. Again click on add an institution and add the details of your MSc. Select the country. Enter the institution. Degree earned is optional, so you can leave it. Select the month and the year when you have started this program. Month and the year when you have completed it. Month and the year when you will be receiving the degree. Select the name and then click on done. Enter the undergraduate GPA. Select the scale. Average GPA. Select the scale. And then graduate GPA is optional, you can leave it. Are you eligible to return to each of the colleges? So yes, and then click on save and continue. Now program selection, so click on search by interest. So select the science and then click on search. select the degree, which is physics PhD, so choose it. Choose the location Tempe and then 2024 fall, and then click on save and continue. Now enter the information, select your first choice of specialization, your second choice and your third choice. Enter the letter of recommendation, so first name, last name, institution, email address. Then the second one, first name, last name, institution and email address. Then the third one, first name, last name, institution and the email address. In this, always choose I waive my right because your report should directly send to the university, not to someone else. In this, you need to upload the personal statement in which you will be talking about your research area of interest, your technical skills and expertise, your hobbies, your research experiences, and the primary reason for your interest in ASU. So you need to upload that personal statement here. After adding all of these, then click on upload file and then save and continue. Now language requirements are optional, so you can leave it. Additional information, so any publications if you have any, so you can upload that or else leave it. Now unofficial transcript, so select the university for which you want to upload. So upload that unofficial transcript and then click on upload file. Then prerequisite courses, so you can select. Ranking of a specialization, so list your 3 specializations, so you can list that and then click on save and continue. Then after that, go on to the review page. Then after reviewing, you can just submit your application, and after submitting, just make the payment and then click on continue. So see here, you can see there is info is not complete and additional information, so click on add it. Just complete the information which you have not completed. Then again go to the review option and can submit it. And after submitting, you can make the payment. And after doing the payment, you will be done with your application.